Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to talk about your favorite hobby in a clear and organized way. This structure will help you sound fluent, confident, and ready for a higher level proficiency rating, especially in your speaking test. We'll go through how to name your hobby, how often you do it, who you usually do it with, where you do it, why you enjoy it, and how to express your personal opinion. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to give a complete and natural sounding answer that shows strong communication skills in Tagalog. Handa ka na ba? Magsimula na po tayo. Ano ang paboritong libangan mo?
Ang paborito kong libangan ay pangingisda. Kadalasan, ginagawa ko ito isang beses o 2 beses sa isang linggo, depende sa panahon at sa schedule ko. Madalas akong nangingisda kasama ang isang kaibigan o minsan kasama ang kapamilya ko dahil mas masaya kapag may kasabay ka habang naghihintay ng huli. Minsan naman mag-isa lang ako. Karaniwan akong pumupunta sa ilog o sa isang tahimik na lawa kung saan presko ang hangin at payapa ang paligid. Gusto ko talaga ang pangingisda dahil nakakapagpahinga ako. Nakakakalma ang tunog ng tubig at ang preskong hangin. Para sa akin, isa ito sa pinakamagandang libangan dahil nakakalibang ito at tinuturuan ka nito ng pasensya.
That was a short but complete structure you can follow. So you can use this pattern to create a clear and natural description of your hobby. First, state your hobby. Second, say how often you do it. Third, mention who you usually do it with. Fourth, explain where you do it. Fifth, describe why you love your hobby. And finally, give your opinion about it. And of course, you can add more details as you wish. Now, try creating your own description using this structure. Practice it until you feel confident and sound natural. And that's it for today. Kita-kita po ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Paalam, ingat po!